Today's topic for discussion is male gametophyte of Silaginella. Silaginella, it is a pteridophytic plant. Let us see all the details of male gametophyte of Silaginella plant. The spores are the first cell of gametophytic generation as they are formed after meiosis and hence are haploid. The microspores are spherico-tetrahedral in shape or tetrahedral in shape, and the spore wall is formed by two layers. The outer layer is known as exine, which is also known as exosporium, and the inner layer is called entine, or it is also known as endosporium. And these spores developed into gametophytes up to a particular stage inside the sporangium before they are shaped. The gametophytes are thus endosporic. Let us see the details of microspore and male gametophyte of Silaginella. The microspore germinates in situ, that is in a sporangium that germinate inside the sporangium, in situ germination. And after germination it forms 13-celled gametophyte before the sporangium dehisces. At the stage of 13 cells, the sporangium dehisces, and the male gametophyte or microgametophyte, it is also known as microgametophyte, that consists of one prothallel cell and one antheridium. Okay. The prothallel cell is lenticular and produced on one side on the spore, while the other larger cell is antheridial initial. They are formed due to unequal division of the spore. The prothallel cell performs no special function and is vestigial cell representing the vegetative tissue of much reduced prothallus. Let us see how the antheridium develops. The antheridial initial divides vertically, and after division it forms two primary cells of the antheridium, and one is male reproductive organ, and each of the primary cell divides transversely to form four cells by the second primordial wall. The antheridial initial is thus divided into a quadrant. The gametophyte at this stage is 5-celled, 2 plus 2 plus 1. Out of the 4 cells formed, only the 2 cells occupying the upper half continues to divide, while the lower 2 cells or the basal 2 cells next to the prothallel cell do not divide further and forms 2 cells of the jacket layer of the antheridium. Each antheridium is having a jacket layer. Each of the 2 cells in upper half divides by curving wall which meet the second prothallel wall in the middle, is concave to prothallel cell. The wall is called the third prothallel wall. The gametophyte is now 7-celled, 4 plus 2 plus 1. The 2 larger of the 4-celled form again that divides by a curving wall, the fourth primordial wall, resulting in 9-celled gametophyte, that is 6 plus 2 plus 1. The most apically located cell of the gametophyte usually divide no further and form cell of the cell of the jacket. The remaining 4 cells divide periclinally to form the central group of the 4 cells surrounded by 4 peripheral cells. The central 4 cells are primary androgonial cells, and 8 peripheral cells form jacket cells. The gametophyte at this stage is 13-celled. 1 primordial cell, 8 jacket cells and 4 androgonial cells. The further division of gametophyte takes place after the dehiscence of the sporangium and dispersal of microspores containing the 13-celled gametophyte. The growth of the microgametophyte resumes when they fall on the ground or in the cleft of the megasporangium. This is known as incipient pollination. Each of the 4 androgonial cells divide successfully 6 times to form a total of 256 anthrazoid mother cells or androcytes. These are also known as androcytes. Each anthrazoid mother cell metamorphosis or get converted to form an anthrazoid, that get converted into anthrazoid. The anthrazoid is formed of a spirally coiled body. It is a spirally coiled body with 2 anteriorly attached flagella. At the posterior end is present a vesicle. This is the shape of anthrazoid shown into the photograph. It is important to note that the microgametophyte is highly reduced and never outgrows the microspore wall. It depends on the plant for food requirements. Thus, the development of the male gametophyte can be regarded as merely one of the cell division and cell differentiation in which actual growth processes are largely eliminated. This is all about male gametophyte of Selaginella and its development.